Hello, this is Mosh Bari. Welcome to this video. I'm super excited to have you here, especially this kind of cases where not only I will share a website that pays directly to your PayPal for doing some drag, drop and upload thing. Yeah, please stay to the end of the video because you will be able to make up to $5,000 a month from this website. But that is the thing that other YouTubers will not tell you about, that with this website you can't really make money from dragging and dropping. But I will share a technique and a free software as usual. Link will be in the description. Don't go there right now, keep watching. With that free software you can drag and drop files and get the thing done and get paid by this website up to easy $5,000 a month. But you can also scale this income with the techniques that I'm going to share with you. So without further ado, we should start, right? If you like our videos, hit the like button, subscribe and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next video. So this website is 100% free. All you have to do is sign up using a registration page, and I'm going to show you step by step how to do it, how it works. And the best part that I am mostly excited about is that you will end up building a marketable or monetizable skill that you can make money from over and over again. And it's a hot and a trending and an evergreen niche. There are always customers there who are ready to pay for this. So if you want to scale your business, to build an agency or build a complete company just based on this, you can. And that can take you up to 6 figures a month or even more. That can turn you into a SaaS or a software as a service owner, or literally sky is the limit what you can do with this. So again, if you watch till the end of the video, in steps I will show you how to make money from this website and how to make money from this website just by dragging and dropping files or just uploading files using the free software I'm going to share. And I will share other premium softwares of my own, 100% free. It's always free for my YouTube viewers. You can start making money today, and it's a scalable skill and a scalable business model that you can completely focus on and start making money. Okay, now let's go to my screen and let me show you how this works. We are on Scribie.com, Scribie.com. So what do? They transcribe videos and audios. So basically, as you can see on the landing page, they are selling it to podcasters who are probably the top clients for them. And that's a good news because there are literally thousands of podcasters who need their podcasts transcribed every single month. You can see in Uber Suggest over 5,400 monthly searches for transcription service alone. So this is how they make money. They charge their clients for transcribing their files. It's easy to use, pay-as-you-go service. They made it super easy for the clients. They made the landing page in such a way that any client will be easily convinced. They have AI-powered automated transcripts, and they have manual transcription service. And this is where we come in as a transcriber. So we can join as a transcriber 100% free and make money from here. So you'll find 2 different buttons. The blue button takes you to sign up as a transcriber, and the orange button will take you to the service where you can become a client. Before I try anything, I always go to the help section, the legal pages section, and the frequently asked questions section, where I try to understand how to exactly make money and how to get paid. What are the terms? What are the conditions? What are the limitations? Although the top sections are for the clients, but the transcribers should also go through this, because this way you will learn what kind of quality they offer to their clients. You will find the freelance transcription program at the bottom, where the FAQ section will tell you exactly how you get paid, etc. On the top right corner, click the sign up button. In order to open your account, put your first name, last name, email address, password, and retype the password. Then make sure you choose the account type transcriber. Then click the sign up button and your account is created successfully. An email is sent to your email inbox for verification. Go to your email inbox, open that email, click the link to verify your email, and once you do it, you get this box open and you click close to close the box. Before you start, you must integrate your PayPal account, and for that, click the blue login with PayPal button and sign up with your PayPal and integrate your PayPal account. Go through all the tabs and sections: introduction, guidelines, sample, terms, FAQ, practice, and test to make sure you clearly understand the requirements, what type of accuracy they're looking for, whether they have any other requirements or not. I found their documents are pretty clear and transparent, and there is a potential earnings section where they tell you how much money you can potentially make. It doesn't prove that you're gonna make this much money or less money or more money, but there are multiple ways you can make money from this website, which can take you to easy peasy $5,000 a month. But stick to the end of the video. I will share how you can scale up to $10,000 a month or even $1,000 a day, which is $30,000 a month. Practice section will help you practice, and in the test section you can give a text, but you must have a verified PayPal account and you have to integrate the PayPal account with their website. And that's a beautiful thing. I always say that this website is taking your PayPal email, which is a powerful business model. Did you like our video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will be notified when we will upload our next video. Okay, now let's talk about how you scale up to $1,000 a day, to $5,000 a day, and even $100,000 a month. Now let's make a lot of money from transcription service. As I told you that this is going to be a monetizable skill that will make money from multiple different sources, multiple different directions, and it will help you build your own agency, your own company, your business, just based on this skill. So once you are okay, you learn how to transcribe using softwares, of course, links in the description, you can go to Fiverr and open a transcription gig. Look at a couple of examples. All these gigs made a lot of money from only this service. Example, this gig, they have 5-star rating, 7,125 reviews. Usually 5% customers, approximately 5% customers come back and leave a review or rating. So the total number of sales would be 7,125 times 20, 142,500 sales. If we consider the price of the standard gig is the average price, then times 10 is $1.4 million in sales only from this gig alone. All you have to do is to follow their style, follow the keywords, and deliver the best quality possible to ensure maximum rating and positive reviews. In fact, exciting and positive reviews. Now let's go to Google and search for a list of transcription softwares or list of transcription services. You will have a big name, you will have a big list of a lot of companies that are providing transcription services, because now you have a marketable skill. You can sell your service to all these websites. Well, if you make $100 a day from one site, 9 websites or 9 services will make you $900 a day. If you make $1,000 a day from one website, then 9 will make you $9,000 a day. But that comes with scaling. Alone as a freelancer, it's really impossible to scale. And for that, you need to think about how you can build a business around it, maybe an agency. So for that, Google how to build a freelance agency. And you'll find awesome articles that will give you a quick idea of what are the requirements of building a freelance agency. So basically, you need a sales team, you need an execution team, you need accounts, all the departments that a company may have. But you will not make an agency from your own pocket. You will earn money first and reinvest your income to build an agency so you can scale your income to 10 times or 20 times. Now you might be asking how to actually do the transcription itself. The answer is simple. You can use softwares like Otter. Don't worry about how it works because there is a link in the description, and also I will leave a link in the card on top of the window where you can find every detail about how to use this software 100% free and get your transcriptions done using AI. It's an excellent software. It will make your life extremely easy as long as you are the one doing the job. And once you have your own team, you will have proofreaders, so you will not have to use your own time and you won't have to depend on the quality of the software. Did you like our video so far? Our freebies, the premium softwares we give away 100% free, and the other videos we have links in the description. Then please hit the like button, consider subscribing to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will know you as the most important person to notify when we upload a video. And we will see you in the next video.